Joe Baker Equipment has available the new Comec RP1400 PLC with features that makes it far more productive than older surfacers. A simple touchscreen display makes it easy to move from one function to another. From controlling machine motion to setting up repetitive programs, the RP1400 intuitive screens are very easy to learn. To start the machine, all you do is release the emergency stop, push the start button once, and the machine information screen appears. Just touching the information screen brings up the alarm screen that shows any problems or if it's time for a scheduled maintenance. Pushing the start button again lets you select manual, semi-automatic, or automatic operation. If you want to use the machine in manual mode, the screen comes up that you use to specify the speed and feed. When the cutter head needs to be zeroed, you can bring the dial indicator against the machine surface, zero it, and then press the reset button on the screen. The machine now knows where the cutter head location is. Whenever a number has to be entered to control a function, a keypad like this automatically comes up on the screen. The 16-inch cutter plate has both CBN and PCD inserts for milling either cast iron or aluminum. This large diameter cutter plate can easily mill the new wide overhead cam cylinder heads. Spindle RPM and table speeds are variable, so you can easily control the surface finish of any type of cylinder head or block. A very easy to use rollover system is standard for setting up cylinder heads, manifolds, and V-blocks. The RP1400 PLC is an ideal platform for a Winfield fixture because it turns it into a 5-minute floor-to-floor machine for cylinder heads. A Bezier oiling system lubricates the vertical waves for the column through these lines. The lower spindle bearing has an exposed grease circ, and the upper spindle bearing has a grease circ covered by the upper motor shield. Spindle bearings only have to be greased about once a year. Both the cutter head and table are moved by precision ball screws. The table is mounted to a linear ball bearing system that is used on high production CNC machines. The linear ball bearing system guides the table in a precise straight path. This is far better than the flat and V-ways found in other surfacers. There are 4 access holes in the base of the machine that make it easy to grease the linear ball bearing modules. The RP1400 PLC is a most advanced surfacer that will make you the most profit with the challenge you face milling 21st century parts. Contact Joe Baker Equipment Sales for more information about the RP1400 PLC or any other new or used equipment for your shop.